dude. You know, I was hit by a cement truck when I was a kid.
How full or was it?
I think 32 tons, something like that.
Oh my God.
It hit me under the wheels, spit me out. I flew 500 feet, dude.
You're lying.
Truths.
Oh my God. What's the longest field goal ever kicked? That's insane. Bring that up. 188 feet.
Oh my God. So that's like more than double.
What did you land in?
I was hit in one county and I landed in another county.
I have a friend who got hit by a train, right? He's doing
Not as funny.
Oh yeah, I agree. With his headphones on. But yeah, you believe that they're noise canceling, and then you're like, no, they're not that noise canceling. He couldn't hear a train coming, and so
That's wild.
But it's effective. Is all I'm saying. Those headphones are effective.